Let me tell you, I did not start Glamour for Eyes in a fancy storefront. I started it at home with a vision, a laptop, a whole lot of faith, and the refusal to quit. I didn't come from an optical school. I'm not an ophthalmologist. I'm not an optometrist. I didn't have insider access. What I had was curiosity, consistency, and the courage to learn as I went. So every late night, every lesson, every mistake built this today. Okay. And now Glamour for Eyes has its own boutique storefront right here in Birmingham, Alabama. Okay. That journey is the reason the G4E Optical Boss Academy exists. Because I believe starting an optical business shouldn't feel confusing. It shouldn't be expensive, and it should not be gate kept. And I've seen that a lot in this industry. This academy is for the dreamers who have said, I've always wanted to have my own eyewear brand. I always wanted to sell prescription glasses, or I just don't know where to start. So inside this academy, I'm breaking it all down. Okay. How to start your business, a legit business, and you get recognized in your state, whatever state that might be in, whether it's in Alabama, New York, Florida, whatever it is. I'm also going to teach you how to understand and read prescriptions with confidence, how to choose the right vendors. And yes, you'll get access to mine as well. I'm also going to teach you how to build an eyewear brand with little money, if at all. I'm going to tell you how to do it and have a smart strategy, how to grow sustainably without paying thousands just to be seen or heard. Believe me, I did it the hard way. You won't have to. So with this, there's no smoke, no secrecy, no gatekeeping. This isn't a one and done course. Okay. I'm still growing. I'm still learning. I'm still evolving. But as I do, my students are going to grow with me. And let me tell you, this academy is a living room. Okay. It's not a locked door. It's a community. It's not a cash grab. Okay. It's a place where knowledge is shared. It's not sold back to you at a premium. So if you've ever wanted to build an optical business that's profitable, that's purpose driven, and it's aligned with who you are, then this is for you. Welcome to the G4E Optical Boss Academy. Here is where we build businesses, we build confidence, and we have clarity to help you see the world glamorously, baby. Welcome.